Despite the oft-repeated mistruth that there is no treatment for neuropathy, Dr. Labrum's research also helped him piece together several little-known, natural methods for repairing damaged peripheral nerves and removing the destructive, neuropathy-inducing toxins known to accumulate in the extremities. The almost accidental result of these findings is an easy-to-follow, simple, step-by-step system that can quickly reduce neuropathy pain and discomfort, while restoring peripheral nerves and the circulatory environment of the extremities back to healthy functioning. If you are a diabetic with neuropathy or pre-neuropathy, there is hope. Thousands of diabetics have already broken the cycle of bad news since Dr. Labrum's solution to peripheral neuropathy was made public. He himself is neuropathy-free today. Dr. Labrum's neuropathy findings are now available for you too. Click on the link below to discover it for yourself now.